Ever find yourself lying awake at night just wishing your brain had an off switch? Well, it kinda does. In this guide, we're gonna talk about the powerful built-in tool you already have to find it, your breath. Let's get right into it. We have all been there, right? You're in bed, staring at the ceiling, and your mind is just going. Replaying the day, running through tomorrow's to-do list, worrying about stuff. It's probably one of the most frustrating feelings in the world when all you want to do is sleep. But here's the thing. What if trying to wrestle your thoughts into submission is the wrong approach? What if the real secret isn't in your head at all? It's much simpler. It's about taking control of something you do all day, every day, without even thinking about it. Your breath. So how on earth does that work? To really get it, we need to take a quick peek at the science behind the calm. Think of your breath as the remote control for your entire nervous system, and learning how to use it is like finding out you've had this amazing all-natural tranquilizer built right in all along. Okay, so our bodies pretty much have two modes. You've got the sympathetic system, which is your fight or flight mode. When you're stressed or anxious, this system is on full blast. Your heart races and your breathing gets all fast and shallow. But to sleep, you need to be in the other mode, the parasympathetic system. This is your rest and digest state. And the master switch to flip from one to the other, you guessed it, it's slow, deep, intentional breathing. When you breathe this way, you're directly telling your body that it's safe to power down and relax. And listen, this isn't just some new agey trend. Don't just take my word for it. As the well-known Dr. Andrew Weil says, this kind of exercise is, and I quote, a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It's an incredibly powerful tool that, unlike a pill, actually gets stronger and more effective the more you use it. All right, so you get the why. Now let's dive into the how. We're going to walk through 3 really simple but super powerful techniques that you can start using literally tonight to get your mind and body ready for a great night's sleep. First up, we've got the foundation for everything else, diaphragmatic breathing. You'll probably hear it called belly breathing. You see, most of us, especially when we're stressed, tend to take these little shallow breaths up in our chest. This technique is all about retraining yourself to use your full lung capacity, getting that big diaphragm muscle involved. Here's how you do it. Just lie down and get comfortable. Put one hand flat on your chest and the other one on your belly, right below your rib cage. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. The whole goal is to feel the hand on your belly rise up, while the hand on your chest stays pretty still. Then, as you slowly exhale, just feel your belly fall. That's how you know you're getting a deep, truly relaxing breath. Okay, technique number 2. This one is called the 4-7-8 technique. It's a very specific rhythmic pattern that acts like a powerful signal to your nervous system, basically telling it, hey, it's time to chill out, seriously. The steps for this are super precise, so listen closely. First, just let all the air out of your lungs with a whooshing sound. Then, close your mouth and breathe in quietly through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, hold that breath for a count of 7. Finally, exhale completely through your mouth, making that whoosh sound again for a full 8 seconds. That's 1 full cycle. You only need to do that 3 more times. That's it. All right, our final technique is called box breathing, or sometimes square breathing. And if you want to know how powerful this is, just think about who uses it. Navy SEALs, first responders, people who need to stay calm and focused under the most intense pressure imaginable. It's a game changer. It's really easy to remember because it's symmetrical, just like a box. You slowly breathe in through your nose for 4 counts, you hold it for 4 counts, you slowly breathe out through your mouth for 4 counts, and then you hold again for 4 counts. Then you just repeat the cycle. That even, steady pace is incredibly grounding for your mind. So now you've got the techniques, but before you go try them, let's talk about how to make them really, truly work. There are a couple of common little mistakes that can trip people up, but don't worry, they're super easy to fix. Okay, this is probably the most important part. Do not force it. This is about allowing your breath, not controlling it with an iron fist. It should be gentle, quiet, and easy. And please, listen to your body. If trying to count to 4, 7, and 8 is just making you more stressed out, then forget the numbers. Just focus on one simple thing. Make your exhale just a little bit longer than your inhale. That simple act, all by itself, will kickstart your body's relaxation response. All right, let's put this all together. Here is a simple 15-minute routine you can start doing tonight. It's designed to walk you down step by step from being wide awake and alert to a state of deep relaxation, totally ready for sleep.
Here's the plan. You're going to start with 5 minutes of that simple belly breathing, just to get centered and calm your body down. Next, you'll do 5 minutes of box breathing to really regulate your system and get into a nice, steady rhythm. And for the grand finale, you'll do just 4 cycles of the 4-7-8 technique. That's the final signal to your brain that, hey, we're done for the day, it's time to sleep. And remember, the real magic here happens with consistency. The first night might feel a little weird, and that's okay. But if you stick with it, you are literally training your body. You're creating this powerful automatic response, teaching your nervous system that this 15-minute routine means it's time to power down and rest.
It's such a simple practice, but the ripple effects are huge. So I'll just leave you with this thought to chew on. What if the key to having a more energized, more focused, and way more peaceful day isn't found in your morning coffee, but in the last 15 minutes and the final few conscious breaths of the night before?